Prisma Cloud supports the downloading of reports on the details of the compliance standards configured for your environment. We can start by navigating to the Compliance menu option, then click on Standards. From the Standards page, we can download a summary report that includes all the compliance standards that are listed. The out-of-the-box compliance standards, along with any custom compliance standards, will be in the report. If I'm interested in the details of any of the individual compliance standards, I can select just that standard and then download a report based on that individual standard. So if I'm interested in GDRP, I can select that, and then I have the option to download a report just displaying the details of the GDRP standard. This could be useful if I have custom compliance standards and I want to understand the details of what is being enforced by those custom standards.